Hey everybody, this is Dr. J. Spiking Kamal, speaking live from Long Island, New York, where the weather was quite nice today, right?
Very nice.
Very nice.
Super nice. Yes.
Sunny, yeah.
Cool day. I don't think it went above 80 or around 80 anyway.
Yeah, it's a very nice summer day.
Yeah. So Kamal, how you making out? You making money these days?
Yeah, I could have made a lot more, but I'm making money.
What was
I don't
your
I don't hold the stocks very long.
what were you in today?
I bought QS at 11.99 and I sold it at 13.51.
Nice. How long were you
Hmm.
in?
Wow. One day.
Same day, same day.
Hours? How many hours?
Wow.
How many
Like
minutes?
maybe 5 hours or so.
Okay, well, I was going to ask you how many seconds.
You had a. It looked like it did its first jump right at the very very beginning of the day.
This is the
You
second
must have
time you
got it
did
like.
that. I think this is the second time you did at QS.
Yes, yes. I wanted to buy BBAI, but I was late
It went up today also,
with
right?
my order. What?
That did that go up?
It's going
It went
down.
down yesterday.
Yeah, it was down again today. I put an order
Yeah.
at 696, but I after the fact it had already went to 690, but after the fact I put it.
Right.
It did not go down back to that level.
So you missed it.
I missed it. Yes.
What does Andrew
Yeah,
do?
I know. The beginning of the day was pretty tough on that one.
You know what? If the S&P can do nothing for 19 days in a row, I think it's 1% either direction. So we can say nothing every day. S&P does nothing, we say nothing. But Andrew keeps coming back because he figures maybe by accident we'll say something good. So
Yeah, so
Spike,
many days in a row is funny.
you've been holding out on the water ETF.
Oh, what the FIW?
That's a good one.
Yeah, I mean, I've been in it for about 5 or 6 years now, if not more.
Oh,
You
I
know,
guess you did tell us, but not
but
this.
the thing is that it does track the market a lot. So in times when the market is sort of deflated, it's time to it looks like the market overall is deflating. Time to get out a little bit and trim, and then get back in again when the market is moving up.
I think there's a need for water and energy both.
Yeah. Well, that's why I'm in both of those long term. I'm not even really bailing on any of those or day trading on those.
Yeah, energy has become anything but boring lately. Big moves, and you need a lot of energy to run the AI.
Yeah.
You know,
I mean,
from the all the water that's in the world, the fresh water is less than 1%.
right. So that's why you need filtration systems, and that's another
Yeah.
reason why I'm in those plastics, those the printing, the 3D printing. I figured somewhere down the road we're gonna have to 3D print filters, biofilters. I mean, that's just a speculation of mine.
Andrew's urging me for another meta. I
Another
don't
meta.
happen not to have one handy though.
Okay. Well, why don't you give him why don't you give him one of the quants, QBTS?
I don't. No, not in good conscience. I can't do that.
Not in good. Okay.
I'd have more integrity than to do that. I think ultimately, 10 years from now, it'll be great. But maybe one of them will be great.
Well, when Jensen Huang said all that bad stuff, the
You
CEO
can't buy
of
everything. You can't
QBTS
buy.
really had a lot to say.
You can't buy everything with a Q. What is he talking about? Open what? Open table? Open door? I don't know what he's talking. Open door, I guess.
100 bagger.
Why
So
not?
so why SMH got a hit today?
They were all off. AVGO is off. It's like 7.9 points. Nvidia was
Yeah,
off.
Dell took little hits, which is why I jumped on.
AMD was off. I don't know.
AMD was off a bit.
All the components were off. I bought
That's
more.
right. I think I went into ARM today a little bit also, just to taste.
RK,
ARM.
IRN, what's that?
It's an Nvidia. It's an Nvidia adjacent.
Really?
Yeah.
What is it called?
ARM.
ARM. They're just another chip maker.
Yeah. Well, I went in.
Aren't they big with the iPhone?
So we'll see.
I think they're a chip maker for the iPhone. Apple's doing better. It looks like it's coming out of. I think the chart looks good. We'll take a look at it. I think it's
Okay.
coming out of a flag or a pennant, coming out to the upside. We should take a look at Open, being that Andrew is
Yeah, might as well.
talking about it. And I know it's getting a lot of press lately. Kohl's department store is getting a lot of attention. I don't know why. Did you ever go into Kohl's?
No, and they were saying this morning, CNBC was saying it was behaving
what is
like
it?
meme stock.
KOHL, right?
KSS.
We have
Yeah,
calls in our.
Isn't it a garbage store? There's
It's
one in
okay.
Oceanside, Long Island.
It's okay.
Yeah, you know, I go there a lot.
It's
Good place to get my sneakers.
mainly garbage. This
Yeah,
is
but I
another
think there was any
view
explanation
of.
for that big jump today.
This is the other Mantis stock, AEHR. I like this one better.
Yeah,
than
it went
QS.
up today.
Yeah, I actually was emailing back and forth with him, and I told him I like this one better than QS, whatever that's worth. I didn't go into either. But this one looks good. Pull back halfway and take off again. I'm not sure
So
what they do. The test equipment, they make test equipment for data centers. I
Could
don't
you
know.
do 1 year? Could you do 1 year on it? Let's see.
I could do. I'm a magician. I can do a lot of things.
Well, it's not really you that's the magician.
So that's like a 1 year also 1 year high, right? You see where it stopped?
Close to the high.
Yeah.
I think it might have been in January, a little higher, right?
I don't know.
What's it up here? Yeah, it's. Oh no, it's not higher.
No, back in.
So that's the high. Yeah.
Shift the chart. Yeah, there you go. So it's the high of the 1 year.
It was higher back here.
No, it was higher. It was the same level at back in July of last year.
Yeah, January 24 was higher. You got to go back to January 24. So it's almost a year and a half.
No, I'm talking about July of last year.
July of 24.
Yeah, you see,
up here
at the same level. That's
it's very close.
Yeah,
very close.
Mm-hmm.
I'll put a line through it. We can see better. I don't like this drawing tool. The old one was better. You didn't have to keep going back.
Okay, so that's resistance for now.
It's perfect. Look at that.
Yep, that's my point.
You saw that with the naked eye, huh? You have a good naked eye. Very good.
After my LASIK surgery.
Did you really have that?
Yes, actually I had it in one eye twice and the other eye one time.
And it improved your vision?
Yes.
Oh. I always thought that was a gimmick, so it's for real, huh?
In fact, the doctor told me there's risk, and I had to sign papers to waive it, a waiver.
Uh-huh. So what made you do it?
I was sick of wearing glasses.
Okay. So you did a lot of things to improve your looks, right? You got your you can
Well,
see,
the eyes is not looks. I need to see.
but you also did the hair, didn't you?
I did the hair like 10 years ago.
Wow.
I went to Turkey for that.
Really?
Istanbul.
Istanbul, not Constantinople, though.
Not
Whatever
Constantine.
that is. Yeah.
You have to be pretty old to know what I'm talking about.
I'm getting there.
There's a song from the '90s on that.
I'm getting there.
It's Istanbul, not Constantinople.
Oh, okay.
That's the song. This is a beautiful looking cup and handle, anyway.
Yeah, but
Isn't
that
it?
gap worries me. That gap is
This
worrisome.
past
Right? You see
worrisome,
that?
but even if it comes back to fill it, it's okay.
Yeah,
You're talking about the gap. It's
correct.
fine.
Today's gap.
I think I think I think from the top of the cup to the bottom is the distance that you could expect to gain, right? So the bottom is
If it
852
fills that gap, it's definitely a buy for me. I'm talking from my perspective.
to 18, so 10 points. Look for another 10 points, according to the
Yeah,
theory. According to the cup and handle theory, which is bullshit, but I figured I'd mention it. Everything is bullshit, nothing. On average, you get that 10, same move. When it works, when it doesn't fall apart. The whole pattern could fall apart. Anyway, what else did we want to look at? SPY? We look at this every time. And now, while it's not doing anything, and put in another doji, it's just not doing anything. We're now, what do you call it? And I think a horizontal flag. We're flagging now. I think we're going to not go up or down for another few days or a week till it resolves.
could you do the 1 month on this chart? 1 month.
Well, let me just draw this horizontal flag that I'm looking at. Pretty much it, right? Flagging. What did you want me to look at?
1 month.
1 month?
So it went down
What am I
below
looking
your line. It went down below your line. That's not a good sign.
Oh,
Your trend line. You remember
no,
that
it's
trend
not.
line?
Yeah. But it could be pulled back in.
Yeah, you remember we were talking about it's riding on the trend line. It's riding on it the past
It's
couple of
not going to
sessions.
stay. It's not going to stay 100% between those lines.
Right.
It's too small of the area. So it's going to come. It'll go south and north, but ultimately it'll follow it. That's my thinking. What else do we want to look at? Bitcoin. What is this? IBIT? Same chart as Bitcoin, basically. So what did it do today? Up, but a doji on the day.
Yeah,
It's an
I'm still
okay
looking
can.
to fill that gap.
Yeah, I think it's going to do what Bitcoin always does. Consolidate for a while before the next pop.
Stair steps.
Yes, that's what it's been doing. And I think it'll continue to do that. We'll consolidate, right? Yeah, I see a period of consolidation, maybe a week or two more. Then it'll pop. It'll pop in sometime at the end of August, middle of August. So we're trading between the lines now, and it has a way of doing that, uncanny way of doing that. So it puts you to sleep and then it pops. I think that's what it's going to do again. This one does not put you to sleep. This one does anything but put you to sleep.
What's this one?
Yo-yo. Quantum Scape.
Oh, QS. Right.
Yeah.
I bought it today, this morning, and I sold it.
Yeah, you made a quick, 2 points?
A point and a half.
That's all you need. There's a big range today, right?
Yeah, so
Very
I
big.
bought it and sold it twice already. One was yesterday and one today.
Excellent. Excellent. This one looks interesting. I wouldn't want to go long and I wouldn't want to go short. I want to follow it. Because basically it's like playing the horses. You got to take a good guess. I'd rather play the horses, I think, in this one, or a casino. It's a tough one to make heads or tails out of. What
I don't
do
even
you
know what
guys think? You would play it on another pullback, wouldn't you, Kamal?
definitely.
Oh yeah,
No, you
he's
get
playing.
comfortable with it. Like the more you do it, you get more and more
Yeah,
confident.
once you found one of your cash cows,
Exactly.
you got to
But
play
So
it.
if it
where would you
drops
go?
again to
Like,
11,
like for the longest time, you've been doing. What
Where
was
would you
it?
look to come in?
Wolf that way.
About 11:57?
anything below 12, I'll buy it.
Anything below 12?
Yeah.
Huh.
Today I bought it 11.99.
It's 12 is right here. You see where the line is?
Yeah.
That's 12. Okay, so you're still bullish.
Yeah. You see how it filled up that gap?
I want to go on to Google. I'm very bullish Google before earnings.
Tomorrow.
I'm not going to play the earnings game. Yeah, I'm just holding. I'm not playing the earnings game, but I'm bullish. I think it'll beat the top and bottom line. So long Google. I like everything about that they're doing. Deep mind or whatever they call it. Everything that they're doing. They got the best minds. So when it comes to robotics, they're going to be there. When it comes to quantum, they're going to be there. They got to be there with Google.
I just bought SMH 282.82.
Goodbye.
I put an order after hours and it executed. Just executed.
Very good buy. So I'm very bullish. Google. The chart is extremely bullish. A tremendous Zoom channel. Today's candle was excellent. And it puts us right at resistance at 191. I think the all-time high is not much more than this. Just above, you say, the all-time high.
Yeah.
I think we take that out. Maybe not tomorrow, not the next day, but after earnings, sometime after earnings, a week or two. This one may rock it.
So what do you think it's going to do just after earnings? You think it's going to do like what the biotechs do and just sort of give back?
I think it'll go up 3-4%.
After earnings, okay.
Yeah. Maybe 6 points. Very bullish this IWM. I don't know what I did. I somehow got
Yeah, it's weird.
got the chart. I don't know how I did that. Now I lost it. But I'm very bullish that one. Very bullish Apple because of the chart. In fact, I'm bullish the entire MAGS. I think that you can buy MAGS. Are you still in that, Professor Spike?
Oh, you mean the ETF?
Yeah.
Nah, I recently trimmed. After August 1st, I'll get back in again.
What was the symbol again?
I think they're
MGS?
going to MAGS.
I was doing TECL was my in.
That's 2 times.
Yeah.
Kamal likes 2 times.
The TECL was 2 times.
Look at this flagging pattern on Apple. Definitely a flagging pattern. It should move up. I think it moves up to the 200, 222. 222 for Apple. I don't know when they report. Independent of when they report, 222. Anything else you want me to look at or call it a day?
Well,
Yes.
someone from our audience was.
CIFR.
Yeah, someone from our audience was CIFR, and we didn't do SMH this time.
I'll do it.
I want to do it.
We did it twice yesterday, but we didn't do it once today.
That's a nasty looking candle today.
Yeah, but it looks like at the bottom of a channel. If you draw the channel, you see that channel or that trend line in the bottom?
Yeah, probably.
It does, actually. You're right.
If you do the 6 months, it looks easier.
6 months.
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess it depends on how you draw that.
I don't like that line.
Yeah, I don't like the line either.
I think it's going to flag here. Consolidate. So here's what I'm thinking. You're going to get maybe another few days of rockiness.
Yeah.
You see right in here, it'll consolidate at 281. I think it holds 281. What was the other one you wanted me to draw? What symbol?
SMH.
Oh, this was SMH.
This-
CIFR.
CIFR, sorry.
What is that?
It's a mining company.
What do I mine? Gold or Bitcoin?
That's a good question.
This is really consolidating. It's at building a solid floor at $6. I would wait for a pullback to 650. Then look.
In the middle of that candle.
Do you see the 50? The 50 is going to cross the black line. What's the black line you have here?
Eventually,
The 50 is going to cross the 200, right?
that's the golden cross.
Yeah, that's a good sign, which is probably in 2 days.
Yeah, it might be a little longer, but yeah. I like this one, no doubt.
Do you see the volume? The volume was high today.
Very high on a bullish day. I like to see green on bullish days. It's been high in general, the volume. Yeah.
Decent amount of mo going.
It may take out the high of the day today. It may first add on.
So Art, next time tell us 1 day in advance, not after.
No, this is a good one. Thank you. They're just joshing with you.
I mean, look, if it goes to 5, it'd be a bargain.
Yeah. Final thoughts?
Final thoughts.
I am bullish remainder of the week.
Do you have any intermediate thoughts?
Well, tomorrow is a big day
Bullish
after hours.
Kamal.
I mean, if we get good results, good
Day
ERs,
trade QS on dips.
if we get good
think we're gonna get
ERs tomorrow,
very,
I think the
very
market is
strong.
gonna shoot up.
I think so. I think we're going to get very good results. NVIDIA, bad day today. Yes, I saw that.
Yeah.
Saw that. So what's your final thought is continue to day trade QS?
Sometimes
On
I like
dips?
to day trade things just to, I
Right,
like the
Kamal?
suspense. Yes. Yes.
I don't want to put words in your mouth. Spike, what's your final thoughts?
Right now, just miners, bit miners, and metal miners. Because I'm still waiting for August 1st. I think it's going to be
Okay,
me.
I wouldn't mind, but I wouldn't mind picking up SILJ myself, the junior miners. and
What's going
silver.
on August 1st?
That looks like an interesting play. Silver is hot.
On August 1st.
August 1st is tariffs. I don't know.
I don't believe in Taco.
Yeah, he's in hot
I
spot.
think I don't think we're going to know anything on August 1st. It's just another day to the market.
Okay.
Sentiment is very strong in the market. I'm very strongly bullish. Adios, amigos, and ciao.